Solar well pump. Unboxing introduction. Complete set includes 1. Accessory bag. 2. Solar controller. 3. Solar pump. Solar well pump. Controller specifications. Solar well pump. Accessory bag. Accessories. Solar pump wiring. Accessories. Solar pump installation. Accessories. Solar controller installation. Accessories. Spare parts. Practical operation guide. Solar pump wiring. Step 1. Strip 1 centimeter of the pump cable. Step 2. Firstly, cover the pump cable with heat shrink tube. And then cover the oil-resistant dual wall heat shrink tube at the wire head. Step 3. Strip 1 centimeter of extension cable ends. Step 4. Use BV cold press terminals to connect the cables according to brown, blue, black, and yellow colors. Step 5. Use a hot air gun to heat the oil-resistant dual wall heat shrink tubes and fix them at the connection of 2 cables. Step 6. Use insulation tape and high-pressure waterproof tape to insulate and waterproof the connection between 2 cables. Step 7. Use a hot air gun to heat the heat shrink tube and fix it at the connection of 2 cables. Step 8. Strip 1 centimeter of the other end of the extension cable and clamp the RV terminal. Step 9. Customers can also choose to use cast resin straight-through cable gland kit to connect 2 cables. The specifications are shown in the figure. Optional wiring guide. Cast resin straight-through cable gland kit. Step 1. Cut off all accessories. Step 2. Assemble accessories 3 and 4 to separate each cable. Fix with insulation tape. Step 3. Accessories 1 and 5 are connected by snap fasteners, covering the junction of the 2 cables. Step 4. Seal the two ends of assembled accessories, 1 and 5, with insulation tape to prevent glue leakage. Step 5. Remove the sealing strip, separating the cast resin of groups A and B, and mix the two groups of cast resins thoroughly. Step 6. Pour the mixed cast resin onto the connection between the two cables. Step 7. After filling the cast resin, cover the accessory tube and wait for the cast resin to cure. Practical Operation Guide. Solar Pump Installation. Step 1. Wrap the threads of the PVC outlet connector with thread sealing tape and install an O-ring. Then install it on the pump outlet. Step 2. Put the water pipe into the PVC outlet connector and fix it firmly with a stainless steel 304 hose clamp. Step 3. Make sure the nylon rope is long enough to go down into the well. Fix it on the stainless steel 304 rope buckle. Nylon rope is optional. Step 4. Buckle the rope buckle onto the pump lifting ring and place the pump into the well. Practical Operation Guide. Solar Controller Installation. Step 1. Use the stainless steel 304 cross recessed flathead screws to secure the controller mounting bracket to the back of the controller. Step 2. Use the stainless steel 304 Allen wrench to secure the stainless steel 304 hexagon socket head screws with hexagon nuts to the mounting location. Practical Operation Guide. Solar Controller Wiring. Step 1. Unscrew the controller cable connector nut and take out the rubber plug. Step 2. The brown, blue, and black wires of the pump cable correspond to the WVID-U printed on the circuit board. The grounding wire needs to be connected to the grounding pile. Step 3. Connect the two wires of the stainless steel 304 tank float to the TH and COM terminals respectively. Step 4. Pump cable diameter specification. Recommendation table. Customers can connect an external floating extension cable according to their actual needs. Recommended wire diameter specifications are shown in the figure. Step 5. After the cable is connected, tighten the controller cable connector nut to secure the cable. Connect solar panels or batteries. Connect the solar panel's positive connector to the controller's P-positive terminal connector. Connect the solar panel's negative connector to the controller's P-negative terminal connector.